Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to enter trade positions. I'm Nemeswat by name. So when you hear long, you mean buy, and when you hear short, you mean sell. These are trading positions. They are trade positions in futures. In futures, we call them positions. You open a buy or you open a sell position. All right. So now that you have your funds in your futures wallet, let's take example and see how to enter our positions. All right. So let's head over to our signals room. Let's see a good. Okay, let's use this BTC signal, and it sells BTC long. It means buy. So the pattern of dropping its signals changes. It varies depending on the person, the individual. Alright. So in this signal, we are asked to buy long BTC at a specific level, break price. All right. So our target, our entry, we are looking at $23,843. So what do? Let's go over to futures from the market. Okay, from the market, you go over to futures and look for BTC USDT. All right, since it's the one I have a capital on. So you click on it. BTC, you have to verify, check well if it's actually BTC USDT, because you have BTC USD. You can see this one. So you click on it and it will take you to the futures interface. Think they do network now. All right, so it is open now. So according to our signal, we are meant to buy long, and this is the entry price. Entry means the price at which you will go in. You can go in. So 23,843. Now we are at 23,810. So we are below the entry. So what do? You click on the buy icon. All right. And then, okay, since the price is way lower now, you can just leave it. It's lower than the entry. You just leave it at that. This is another good opportunity to enter. So our leverage, they said you should use 50%. If you are a newbie, you don't advise you to use 50, more than 10 to 15%. All right, is highly risky. Now I told you Bitcoin leverage is up to 125. Hope you can see that now. So for the purpose of this training, don't use this means. Don't use 50x, and don't use the signal I dropped. Okay, so confirm it. Now we are meant to buy long. So BTC current price is at 2,813. So what do? You can actually try to adjust the limit just like in sports. And choose your margin. The margin is the amount of capital you would like to use to enter the trade. So I think I would love to enter this trade now. So I'll be using 4% of my capital. That's risk management for you. You learn that soon. 4% of my capital, right? So because of the leverage I'm using, 4% is giving me $95, not up to that. So here I go. Once I'm done with my entry price and my margin, I click on buy long. Now buy long, just like in sport, is on the open orders because I didn't use the market order. It would have filled immediately. So I have an open position, and after that, okay, so it has peaked now. And it has peaked now. So my order has peaked. We just keep looking at the market. Alright, so this is how to buy long. I hope you saw what I did. I imputed the entry price at the limit they gave, and then chose a margin to use, and also the leverage. And also I selected the cross. I love using the cross because it gives me enough equity to withstand any form of crash or so. So this is it. Remember when I bought, it was on the open order. Now it has gone to the positions, and you can see how the market is going. Red means it is going down, it is going against me. Alright, but no fret. So this is it. Just like what you know about sports trading. The red are the sellers, the green are the buyers. Alright. So when it means for you to short, the same procedure for the buy. Right? Click it. Okay guys, now rush to the like button and hit it, and also subscribe to this channel for maximum content. Alright, please do that so that others can see this video right now. I'll show you how to place your stop loss and take profits in your open trades. Alright, so according to your signal, I think the signal I gave out wasn't specific about this take profits and the stop loss. So according to your signal, you will see TP rating and some numbers given, some targets. Like let's say BTC now is at, he bought at 22,963, and you have first TP at 23,100, which is looking at our market price here. We already hit that. Maybe next, let's say now the next second TP is at 23,200 or 23,000. Then the next one 23,400. I'm doing a blind guess here. because I don't have the TP written down somewhere. So how do you set your stop loss and TP? I'll show you that now. So when you are on your positions, you go to stop loss. You see where stop profit and loss is written. All right, you can see it right here. I can highlight it, then tap on it, and then this interface will open up. Go to position TPSL, that's stop loss, sorry, that's take profit stop loss. Click on it. Now the first one above here is your take profit. All right, so according to your signal, let's assume that the TP2 there is take profit for BTC at 23,400. So all you need to do is impute it 23,400. All right, now the calculator, the PNL, the calculator will show you your PNL. So at this take profit, at this target, this is how much you will be making, all right, from this trade. This is how much you will be making from this trade. Calculation is based on your leverage and your margin, all right, then your entry price. All right, so then let's assume that our stop loss was given, and it was given at 22,800. all right, 22,800. So can you see now, this is the amount of USDT. What is stop loss? Stop loss means the amount you are able to lose. You can bear losing in case the trade goes against you. All right, it's a risk management system. We'll talk about risk management later. So this is the amount you able to lose from the margin. From your margin, the capital you enter the trade with. All right, I think I entered this trade with just $2. So this is what I will be losing when BTC goes to this point. All right, so I can also adjust my take profit, or let me leave it at this. So this is it. Remember, you can then click confirm. It's confirmed now. You can see it on your open orders. All right, so you can see it is another open order. Once BTC hits 23,400, your take profit will take and all the orders will close. Any of the order that goes first, that hits first, will close the rest. All right, so you can also see it down here. TP and Excel. Now if you want to, if the trade is going well and you see the charts and the uptrend, there is the coin is really bullish, or your prediction is going well, is going according to the prediction, you can also adjust your stop loss and your take profit. All right, you can adjust it. How do you do that? Go back to stop loss, and impute your new. First, you can cancel the old one. Click here to edit. You can cancel it, cancel the old one, and then change your stop loss. And it's very good to adjust your stop loss so that you can hedge your funds. That's if your trade is going well. Let's say our target is still 23,400, then the market is already going. You can adjust to 23,900. Sorry, 22,900. All right. So as the market keeps going, your way, you adjust your stop loss. All right, until your target is hit or the stop loss is triggered. So that is that for this. Now, another thing you should be mindful of when you are about to enter a trade. When you are about to enter a trade, be mindful of whether you are buying or you are selling. That's whether you are longing or you are shorting. Don't go and long when you are supposed to short. That means you are trading against the signal, or short when you are supposed to long. It is disastrous. So be very careful. Take note of what the signal is saying. And also, some signal tell you what leverage, what margin mode to use. If you are a newbie, you have to follow up with that signal, because the signal is analyzed also based on the cross to be used. So take note of that too, and your leverage. All right, these are the important things you should note when entering a position, a futures position. If you want to close a trade, an open position, just go to close position. You can see it here. If you are not waiting for your target to hit, or you come up, or you just want to close your position, that is how to do it. Click on close position. If it's 100%, select. If it's 75%, if you want to close 50% and all that. You can also use limits or markets. All right, just like you do on spot trading, but normally we always use the market price. Now, when you use 100, you see the amounts the estimated P&L, all right, and the amount of the position in USDT, the amount. Remember, you are using a leverage. You're on leverage. I think, like I explained, I used $2 from my capital plus this leverage. That's why it's giving me 100 and something. All right, leverage times your capital or margin equals your position amount. So take note of that. So once you choose the percentage, you confirm. You click confirm. For now, I'm not closing it. So just wanted to show you how it works. Right? Like I explained earlier, your margin. This is your margin. This is your margin, and this is the cost of USDT you are using. When you select your percentage, you are using based on your risk management. Let's say 6%. That is, the cost is $2.3 will be removed from your capital. See, this capital is $45 to be used from your margin, from your capital. Let's say, let me say 10, let me use 10 USD, 10 plus 6 USD. All right. So now times it, multiply it by 50x. You can see it here now, 530 USD. That's the amount of position it will open based on your leverage. That's what futures is all about. It gives you leverage to multiply your capital, initial capital, unlike spot trading. So in our next video, I'll be teaching us other ways how to be profitable in trading futures. So see you next time. If you like this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, and also join our Telegram futures group. The link is in the description. Check the description for the link and join our Telegram futures group. And like this video for others to see it and benefit. Thank you.